First open Start and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click Audio Device and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for driver. Click on Let me pick from a list of available driver on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device and click on Next. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Right-click Audio Device and click on Properties. Open Enhancement tab. Select Disable All Enhancement. Press Apply and then OK. Now your problem should be fixed.